You're gonna love the 2022 Nissan Titan. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.